Hey guys, I've got a multi-lock for a change. Oh no, a dimple for a change, yeah, rather, sorry. You don't get a dimple vid in 49 and then all of a sudden 3 come along. So yeah, another multi-lock. I don't know what model this is, so if anyone does know, I would really like to know. So I can stick in the description, but it's not pin-in-pin. So it's similar to the Garrison that I picked the other day, I think. It might well be a Garrison, I don't know. So we've got a closed shackle with the boron stamped there on the shackle. So it's going to be very tough. It's undergone a little bit of cosmetic surgery. Someone's whacked it or damaged it or done something to it. There's a few dings and dents all around it, but effectively the lock is still sound as. So it is locked up. Let's clamp it up. We'll see what we can do. Yep, that'll do. Just going to use a right hand flag. And I'm going to use very light tension. I haven't got a key for this, I don't know if I just mentioned that. So I'm just touching, basically. And a little bit on 1, 2. Just literally feel your way through to the back is how I like to play it. My pick has slipped off. Let me come back out. So I've opened this up earlier on. I spent about half an hour playing with it and finally got it open, which will be to Pick Junkie's dismay. I think he did mention that he didn't think I'd be able to get it on camera. Or there was some friendly jibe when he gave the lock to me at the start to borrow. I'm meeting up with him next month, so I've got to give all these locks back. So I'm trying to get as many on vid as I can. Okay, a little bit on 1 there. Okay, so a little bit on 1, 2's looking good. 3, maybe a little bit more on 3, I don't know. Just leave him for now. Oh, 4 just gave me a full set when I touched him as I'm going through. Although I can't get past him, so I'm going to have to go round. 5, saying nothing. 6, is that counter rotation? Something other, yeah, there. Okay. Yeah, am I getting it? Yeah, it's hard to find it exactly there. It's like I'm feeling it on a couple of pins. Okay, well that's where it is the most, but I never lift that up. 2's giving me counter as well. Nope. Let's try that again. 2's the best bet, but the feel of this. Okay, I was 1, lost the full set. Oh, wow. Reasonable time too. Good, right. Let's get it open. The gutting went so well the other day, I'm going to try it again. Okay, so, oh shoot. I cannot wait for my new tripod. Yeah, let's go right. Good lord, I don't know what's happened here. I think it's broken it. Okay, well it's balancing there. Let's try not to knock it. I'll have a fiddle with it again in a minute. Okay, so balls. I tell you what, I'll go right down. There we go. So let's take that out first of all, and the shackle opens up, which is a good start. Hopefully, yes. Screw out. Lock out. Let's just take the focus off. Okay, so there it is, all open. A little bit of gunk everywhere, but that's all right. Okay, oh that was close. I think you lost that. Let's stick a follower through there. Okay, follow her through. Oh wow. Look at that. Don't know what that is in number 3. Some pin in pin or something. Right, let's have a look. So 7 pins all there and correct. I haven't got a key, so I don't want to mess these up. Yeah. That hurts. Don't recommend flicking. But I just cleaned my pinning board, so I don't want to get it covered in gunk either. Here's that special pin. Get in there. Okay, let's have a little look at that while we're at this. So it's a different shape and size from the rest of them. Not a pin in pin, but it's just a crazy little pin. Very cool, that. Very, very nice. And you see like the elongated number 3. Nothing else there in there. No countermilling or threading, but there wouldn't be. It's well, maybe I suppose, but it's a stock lock. Okay, so pin 1. I suggest we look in at spools. It is indeed a spool. Strong springs in there. 2 is a spool. 3 is a spool also. There's this 4. This is 5. 6 is not. 6 is a standard. 7 is a spool. Okay, if we got nothing in the plug, I doubt we got anything in the top here. I'm going to say no, apart from very strong springs. So I'm just going to pop that down there and let's have a little look. So we've got a very cool torpedo. I love these pins. Really, 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 really nice there. I'll try and make some of them. They're pretty good. We've got a standard in 2. This very, very bizarre looking thing in 3. Just, I don't know. It's just really, really strange. Another torpedo in 4, and then 3 standards towards the end. Then up top, we're all looking at very nice long spools, sort of Eva size spools. Nice long, thin standard at the back end. And let's have a little quick look up in there. Okay, so we've got to just put the actuator back down, so there'll be some ball bearings either side of keep focused. There we go. Either side of the actuator there, and then a way for obviously to stop any bypass maneuvers that people may decide to do. Anyway, that is a multi-lock, whatever it is, let me know. I'm just going to put Padlock in the description and see where we go from there. Nice one. Knocked it out in 11-12 minutes. That's brilliant. Thank you ever so much. Cheers for watching, guys. Catch you all very soon, hopefully with a new tripod. Take it easy. Be good.